What is going on, guys? Today we're checking out a new product here that we've received. It's a CarLinKit. So here's the box itself, the CPC 200 U2W Plus model. This is basically the module you need to basically enable wireless CarPlay in your CarPlay compatible car. So instead of plugging in the iPhone cable to your iPhone, plug this into the USB port and it should enable the wireless CarPlay feature. So without further ado, let's check it out. I just received it, brand new seal. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay. Well, before we begin, I also have to mention that it came with this information pamphlet, basically saying do not upgrade the firmware if the product works out of the box. So we'll try this out in my 2018 Honda Accord right after the unboxing. We have instruction pamphlet, English and Chinese. Here's the device itself, CarLinKit. So you have the USB-C connection, which is used with the provided cable to connect to your car. The other side is to upgrade the firmware if you choose to do so, but we will try not to. USB-C cable, and this is pretty much it. So let's see, anything behind it? Nope. All right, it's pretty simple. It's super small, as you can see, so it could just fit inside your glove compartment just fine. And now let's switch over to the inside of the car and test this product out. Alright, so before you begin, be sure to check out your Bluetooth settings here on your iPhone. Make sure that the default Bluetooth setting is not being used. So to that, you can simply hit that delete button over here and forget this device. Because what we want to do, we want the product to connect to this product instead of the car's radio Bluetooth. Alright, so we are in the car now. So as you can see, I have taken out the wired iPhone cable and I have replaced it with the CarLinKit dongle device here, plugged it directly into the USB for the CarPlay of my car. Now all you have to do is start up your car. Okay on that, and it should detect the dongle by itself. Sometimes it takes a while. As you can see here, it's loading up. There we go. Please use your phone to connect. You must do the first connection. Basically go through the iPhone settings and select the Honda, whatever is displayed on here. And then it's connecting and voila. So it's not that long. As you can see here, it's totally wireless Apple CarPlay. As you can see, no wires. Just turn that music down. As you can see here, totally wireless CarPlay with the battery signal. I have basically no lag at all here. If you want to check out this, you can check out your music. You can skip through the music with your steering wheel controls. Works perfectly fine, which is quite nice. It's fast too, as you can see. I'm clicking the button. Hopefully you hear the clicks. And it loads up quite fast. No issues whatsoever. So you can always go back, just like the wired CarPlay, to your car's infotainment system, the Waze, Google Maps. You can see here, everything working just fine. You can invoke Siri too.
Siri requires an
Unfortunately, I'm in the underground parking lot, so there's no internet, but as you can see, you can go back to your original car menu, Apple CarPlay, just like it is wired, but it's not. So it's quite cool, definitely worth it. Works quite nice. I don't see no issues whatsoever for the moment. So when you turn off your car, the screen shuts off and the CarPlay turns off by itself as well. CarPlay disconnected. Again, I'll do it again just to show you guys. Turn on the car. On the screen turns on. This is a 2018 Honda Accord. Let it load up. Takes around like about 20 to 30 seconds, not a big deal. And then you see the screen, it loads up, auto connection. And voila, you have wireless CarPlay. All thanks to this amazing dongle here. As you can see, plug right into the USB with the supply cable, dongle right here, and of course the phone, no wires whatsoever, no wires, and we have wireless Apple CarPlay in the 2018 Honda Accord. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know down in the description box below. I'll try my best to answer all your questions. Check out the Amazon links in the description box as well if you want to purchase your own. And I'll see you on my next video. Alright, peace.